Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I thought I would show you something if you've never seen one of these before. This is a dragon fruit and you might have gone in the stores and not know what these were or what they were used for. So I'm going to show you what that is today. So I'm going to show you how to cut it. And so what we're going to do is just take a sharp knife and I'm going to take it and I'm going to run it right down through the middle. And that's what it looks like on the inside. It kind of looks like a kiwi a little bit on the inside, but this is a gray with the little black seeds in it. And then we're going to take a spoon and we're going to take that and we're going to run that down the side right here along the flesh. And that spoon will pull that just out just like that. And you're left with that. If you want to take the rest of that out, you can. Just take the back of that spoon and run that right in there like that and pull that out. And we're going to give that a test because this is absolutely delicious if you've never had one before. You can use these in smoothies. You can put them in fruit salad bowls or any kind of salad you want to put them in. If you want to put them in mixed drinks, there is a couple of cocktails out there where these are used in that. So we're just going to take them and just kind of cut them in little cubes. And then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to run it kind of down in the middle of it. And then if you've got these, you want to serve these at a party, you can definitely take these and put these back into the little shell that they came in. And there you go. That would be great for a centerpiece for a party, or if you're just going to have a luncheon with some friends over, that would be something nice to have. So you can cut them up like that and just have a couple of them laying out for that way, and they can just take some toothpicks and stick them in there and you've got a little bit of a treat. So if you've never seen a dragon fruit before and you see these in the store, pick you up one and give it a try. I know you're going to love it. Let me know in the comment if you've ever had dragon fruit before. I'd love to hear from you. And if you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And check out one of these other two videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.